Today, I will show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC step by step. YouTube Shorts is a great way to create short-form videos that can quickly get your message across to your audience. This is a great opportunity for creator who wants to grow the channel. The competition of YouTube Shorts is much less than other platforms. YouTube Shorts creators will get 45% of the revenue, distributed based on their share of total Shorts views. This video will show you how you can make the video and upload the YouTube Short from your PC. Before you get started, it's important to note the rules and limitations of YouTube Shorts. There are two requirements. First, the video is up to 60 seconds long. The seconds is vertical orientation with a 9:16 aspect ratio and 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels resolution. Let's create the video. First, we need to go to Invideo. The link is in description. This platform is great for creating short-form video content. There are hundreds of video templates you can customize, and plenty of stock videos you can work on. Go to the link and then click Sign Up button here. After you signed up, click on Templates menu. On the left side, choose Portrait here. This will filter only the vertical templates. We will use this template as an example. Click Use Template button on the right side. Now, the template is ready. On the left side panel, there are elements you can add to the video. You can add your own stock footage on the Upload panel. These are stocks videos. On this tab, you can add stock images. You can explore these elements more on your projects. We would like to customize the texts and the background of each topic. Click the text you would like to change, and then edit the text on the left side here. Do it again with this text. You can edit the font and the text size by fill in the size number. Click on the Images tab to find images. Type the images you would like to find here. Drag and drop image to the canvas and adjust your image. Do the same process to other slides. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes. To change background music, click Music icon on the left panel here. Listen to music you like by click the play button. To add music, click plus button at the end of the song title. The music will appear at the layer below the slide. To change transition, click Transition here and select transition you like on the left panel. When everything looks good, click Export button on the upright. Choose the resolution, and then click Export button. To upload video on YouTube, click on your profile. Click YouTube Studio. Click Create button, and then upload videos. You will see this screen. Click Select Files and then select your video file you want to upload. Add the video title and then add hashtag shorts after the title. After uploading for a while, the video URL will change to shorts in the URL. This will make this video appears in the short feed. Add video description. Be sure to include relevant information about the video, such as its topic or content. This will help the video visible to viewers on the video's watch page. Scroll down to Audience section. Click This video is not made for kids. Go to rapidtags.io and then click Start Now. Enter your video title here. Click Copy button. Click Show More and then find Tags section. And then paste the tags here. And then select video category. In this case, I will choose entertainment. On comments section, you can select to hold some comment for reviews, or choose allow all comments. This can be up to you. After that, click next to continue. You can add end screen to encourage viewers to subscribe or watch other videos. This is an options. You may skip this step. I'll choose this end screen. In this case, I will let YouTube recommend videos to the viewer. You can select video you like, and then click Save button. After that, click Next button. On visibility section, you can select unlisted or private for editing something in the future, or select public to publish the video. If you think everything is ready, click Save to publish the video. Now the video is ready. You can click the link to view the video. You can view the video stats by click the Content tab, and then select Analytics. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe or hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.